Well, greetings subscribers, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and today is the day again because I got a last minute call from Tony and Spencer down at LV Classic Rods. Told me the motor's pretty much done. They've got everything kind of fixed that they need to fix, and put in, you know, all the parts for the third or fourth time. So it is what it is. It's always something, as we jokingly say. So they wanted me to come down and actually give it a test run and a test drive. They've taken it around a little bit, said, you know, everything seems fine, but wanted me to officially come down. And still got a bunch of stuff to work out on the birthday surprise and Plum Crazy Pam and how we're going to do all that. But for right now, yeah, we're going to get this thing fired up and yeah, take it out. Hopefully, yeah, we're kind of losing the sunlight here, but there's the finished product. So nice seeing the motor pretty much like complete. And we got the yeah, exhaust and everything. I'm not sure if I like that accurate exhaust or not, but let's kind of get in here and we'll at least get this thing buzz, get this fired up, give you some idea of that. I mean, it's nice that it fires right up. Got to work on the gauges next, for sure. So little noisier because full rocker roller, you know, it was flat tapping before, but and then I'm not sure. I mean, I had the resonators with no rear mufflers, so you know, it was kind of like a straight piped in the back, and the idle's a little high at the moment. So, you know, before, you guys have seen the other videos where, you know, when it was at like 650 or 700 and it was kind of just like blum 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 blum. I want to get back to that point, even if it's taking those rears out. So yeah, we'll get the hood closed and go take it around. I'll see if I can grab some video, but yeah, this is definitely a good sign, and yeah, can't thank these guys enough. They've been really hitting it out of the park and trying to make the birthday date for sure. So yeah, give me a few minutes. I might add some little extra clip taking it around and maybe smoking the tires once. And I'll stick that at the end of the video. So later. All right, kids, well, it's been forever, and but we actually have movement. that's good. And yeah, it's definitely got the power. But yeah, there's something going on with the clutch pedal is not returning. So I mean, it's like super soft, so we'll have to work on fixing that. And then what else they tell me? Yeah, still dripping a little bit of water from the inlet on the water pump, so we got to check that out too. Yeah, and they also said oil pressure was good. They told me they had seen, yeah, see, this clutch is like, I don't know, man. They told me the temperature would get up to like 1 notch, and then that was it. So yeah, a couple little things to work out, but otherwise yeah, it's definitely putting the power down, that's for sure. Yeah, I'm not sure what's with the clutch. Weird. And the idle. So guess I need right here. Yeah, we gotta figure that out for sure. All right, well, all the gears seem to be fine. Whoa. New shocks seem to be working okay too. All right, we'll get the car back and try to figure it out from there. So, all right, hope you enjoyed the video. Nice having the car out on the road again. And this should be, you know, good enough for the surprise to let her know, hey, look, you got your car back. And they can work on the other stuff. I still got to do that dash and the gauges and the other stuff too. So they've still got some more work they're going to be performing on this. So, all right, before the sun goes down, we'll see you on the next one.